Who's here right here with us right now? Can you say your name? Can you show yourself in one of the windows above? Hello? Are you here?
There's a lot of vibes here.
Talk to me.
You should get on this. I think there's something floating on Barbara's head.
What?
I think. Can you give us the lotto? Cause we need some money.
Yeah, give me some lotto tickets.
We need the lotto. Can you help us out? We're both out of jobs. Can you help us?
Both unemployed. Here, stay still. Barbara, stay still. Video her head. Something on her head.
Okay.
Right around here.
Anybody here? Talk to me. Tell me your name.
I see vibes. Hold on, let me take a picture.